Hi guys, welcome to the FIFA Gamer. Today I am doing a 200k pack opening. Now this is the team of the season pack opening, and I think it's my first pack opening of the team of the season. So yeah, I really want to get Messi or Ronaldo or Griezmann, any of those 6 players. So yeah, let's just get into this then. So yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna open some premium gold jumbos. So yeah, first pack. Who do we get? Come on, yeah, please give me somebody good. Skip. Any team of the season? No. Come on, I think this might be the pack. It said increased chance of play, so like, what do I get? Nothing. You know what, I'm gonna open a 50k pack. I might get somebody decent in that, so don't give me somebody good. Are you serious? Like, I get troll hazard. Oh my god, why are you doing this to me? So we basically have 100k to go, so yeah, I'm just gonna try and get good players. So yeah, give me some team of the season. I really need one. I never got one yet, so I need a team of the season. EA, please. So yeah, that would be oh yeah, that's actually a sick pack. Fine, at least some good players though. Yeah, a good player. So yeah, I'll take that. Last time I got a player in a 7.5k pack, so inform, so I'm gonna open one of that. Let's see if I can get better than these. Nagiri, I think I'm just gonna buy these packs. It's like I get good players in these packs, so yeah, let's just try and go with these packs. So I'm gonna open one more. If I get an inform, I'm gonna continue. So EA, give me somebody good. Come on, like, why can't I get good players? Like, what's wrong with you, EA? Are you serious, EA? Like, why do you do this to me? Now, this is my last hope of getting one good player, so this pack must be a good pack. Oh my god, EA. Seriously? Guys, I'm not getting anybody good. I'm just gonna spend another 100k. I'm just gonna buy a 100k pack. I better get somebody good in this pack. Please, EA. Just give me a decent player. So, skip. I don't look. Who do I get? Team of the season. Team of the season. Please. Team of the season, EA. Team of the season, EA. Are you serious? Why do you do this to me? My best player is Ter Stegen. Oh my god, EA. What's wrong with you, EA? What's wrong with you? Why do you do this to me? I spent like over 300k now, I think. Like, what is this? Just discard, like, discard this, like. Why do you do this to me, EA? Why? You give me nobody good. Never, ever. You never gave me anybody good. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please leave a like. And yeah, and I'll see you guys on next time.